they are going to come to Nigeria to stabilize business, and they need me to handle the business, and how they end up collecting all my clients from me. And watch me glam this amazing look. Let's go. I don't want to do the lashes, makeup. And everybody know Life Beauty. Life Beauty shared a story, and that prompted me to talk about this. So guys, we lost a clip of our prepping. So we're doing the highlight and the contours. So guys, everything I use on this video, I'm going to be putting a link where you can purchase it from. So guys, I'll be talking about the whole story that happened with me, and this very lady that called me and said she's coming to Nigeria to establish a business, that she would want me to handle it. Fast forward to middle of December, I was actually planning to pay my landlord and retain my job. Then it was a chaos between me and them because they doubled the money. And then when this come in, she was like, she want to come in and stabilize her business in Nigeria because she don't want to do that. She want to stabilize press on nail because there is not much people that are doing press on nail. So I advised her quickly, what do you want to be facing the press on nail with? She said with glue. So I tried to just like me and she bargaining. At a point, I was thinking that I'm being too forward, so I have to step back. She was not telling me that this business is not just opening it and staying by, that you want me to handle the business, you want me to look after the business, that when she leaves, she's going to leave it under my car, that I should not even, treat it as if it's just her business. I just like me and she are partnering together, and this is a contract that we had. She said within the 1 month that she's going to be around, that I'm going to be handling the business and I'm going to employ some people, and then after the 1 month, she's not going to return me, and then I will only pay the 100. She just want to use the opportunity of that December period to actually run a serious advert and then get people to know the space, so that from January, this is our agreement. This is what she said to me. So we only signed a contract of the 1 month. So after the 1 month, we now start what we talk about. What we agreed, she only stabilize on pressure nail. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing my normal acrylic, like people will still come there and I'll work on my acrylic with my own product. So I'm going to give her 30% and I'm going to collect 70% of the whole scenario. So at first she was telling me, why allowing my client to book from my page? If they walk into the space, they are still going to see the name, that the name is not mine. That why not me put my link? That's where I become stupid. Me put my link on her page so she can literally be the one to facilitate the booking and everything. So when she said that, I really didn't see anything wrong with it. So I was not using her link to put. And when I told her that inside your own booking site, there is nothing like a personnel, there is nothing like acrylic and buyer, but it's just personal. She said no. When they dictate, I first of all think about this. So I put two links, my link and their link on my page. So any of my clients that walked in, she would try to tell the client that acrylic used to spoil hand, don't fix acrylic, it's not good for you, all of those things. So from beginning, I didn't really think it too deep. I'm actually taking it too little. When it hit on me is when she told me that she's not going to be offering acrylic, she's not going to be offering any other thing apart from press on nail. This is after we have signed the contract, and I know how much I used to make every month, and I've actually direct all my customer to her space before she made this decision. I tried dragging it. I figured out that they always play smart and think they are wise in some decision they take. And because we are trying to make them stable in this Nigeria so they will not feel everybody is a scam, everybody is a bad person, they take advantage of us and they actually end up scamming us. Till today, my client is still going to her space, even though I told her that in my face, I told her that I'm not going to be returning the play, because she actually brought a girl that I should tutor the girl concerning the work we do together, and I should show her the space and everything. And after I've tutored the girl, I am the one buying things from the market. I show them where they will get the products and everything. All they do is to use me to equip their stuff and then dish me out. They didn't actually dish me out, because when I got to know that they're actually making some decision that did not favor me, I myself start pulling out. These people, they think that they are wiser than us. I was in the same shoe with Lifer. I feel so stupid. I feel so used. I feel so angry. I feel so upset. But then I learned from my mistake, and I told myself that this will never ever repeat again. I will not put any other person first above me. I have to put myself first before I think about other people. Okay? So that was my encounter with these foreign people. And I'm only going to say this to anybody that, got a contact with them. They always think that they have this mindset that we don't know what we are doing. They're just going to use us. They have this mindset they are going just go, because they will come home with asset. This very lady with her talk is like, oh my God, I don't want to do this. Why is this unlike it? That kind of talk. Oh my God, that's from the beginning. I was like, okay, I've been there, so I know how it is for them walking into this place to start up a business. I am just trying to help. I was really depressed for some days before I start, putting myself out there again, because I felt used and I felt so angry. So don't give them chance. It's not every kind that I'm going to tell. They're still going there to look at me. Guys, look at my... How does it look? So guys, that was my experience with these foreign people. If they call you and they tell you, please, we want to do business with you, we want you to host us, we want you to do this one, don't accept. Don't, because they will literally mess up.